What is a share and difference between shares, stocks and equity. We all know that businesses require funds to keep growing, and there are majorly only two ways in which businesses can raise their funds. Number one is they can borrow a money in the form of a loan from any bank or even large number of people, which is known as bonds. But there is another method through which they can raise capital or funds for their business, that is known as sale of their ownership, or also known as equity sale. Equity simply means the ownership in a company. So what the company does is it breaks down its ownership into pieces and sells it off to other people, in which what they're doing is they're bringing in new partners, and these new partners will be giving funds to the company to keep growing. These little pieces of ownerships that are given out to people are also known as shares. So share simply means share in the ownership of the company, the person's little piece of ownership in the company itself. When the company does this on a mass scale by dividing its ownership into tiny little pieces of ownership, those are known as public shares or public equity sale, where a large number of people buy small pieces of the company and then company is able to raise funds on a large scale. Such companies are also known as publicly traded companies or public limited companies, because these new shareholders, which are also part owners in the company, can sell their shares in an open market. Now, when a person has got shares in large quantities, when there is a bulk of shares together, that is also known as a stock. So stock and shares are two same words used in different contexts. So share is a single piece, and when you talk about it in plural format, then it is also known as a stock. So stocks and shares can also be used synonymously, and they are also known as equity shares or simply equity, because equity itself means ownership, and what you're buying is the ownership in the company. Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like more information related to stock market investing, then we have made 20 videos which answer the top questions most beginners ask when they're starting to invest in the stock market. To receive all 20 videos free in your inbox, simply visit capitalize-pune.com or click on the link below and give us your information, and you will start receiving those videos right away.